Hello everybody, hi. This is me, Dheeraj. After a very long time, I didn't do any vlog yesterday. I admit I was studying, but the exam today went fairly well. It was not exceptionally good or exceptionally terrible, but the exam today was decent, and I did most of the work for the first time. I felt like I could have studied one more topic. Well, not for the first time then, but I felt like I could have studied one more topic because that is something that I missed out on. Like just before closing the book, that was the topic I was moving my eyes through, and that question was asked. So I felt terrible for that. But anyways, good work, GG. That's about it. I woke up at 4 today and I'm terribly sleepy. I'm in no mood to do anything. I'm done for the day. I'm exhausted. I'm done. The sleep tonight is going to be the most peaceful sleep ever. It's going to be great. But there is one more meeting I have to attend today. There are multiple meetings today actually, and I'm going to do them today because I don't want to delay stuff. एक तो काम रुका हुआ है एंड उसको वापस से चालू करना है. पॉडकास्ट भी करना है. एक पूरा हफ्ता किया नहीं है. एंड that's it. That's about it. That's about my day. I woke up at 4. I started waking up at 4 and I finally woke up at 5:30. Honestly. But again, yeah, I mean, I was not totally woke up at 4 o'clock also. 4:15, 4:30, I was already awake. But I took that extra energy to wake up, get away from my bed at 5:22. I remember the time exactly because that was the time I woke up. Anyways, after that I came up. यहाँ पे ऊपर आया, अकेला था. The entire town here was very silent. सुनसान हो रखा था because it was raining last night and it was terribly silent. तभी मैंने बैठ के पढ़ना शुरू किया. My brain is messed right now. I'm not able to speak properly, as you can see, as you might have guessed. That's about it. And yeah, I want to keep this really short today because I am in no capacity to do the entire vlog like I have been doing from past few days. I'm done. I haven't had anything to eat also from the morning. I woke up again very early. So I need to feed myself some food, good food, and then go outside. So because I have some personal work. That's about it. Decent. I was also looking through my YouTube yesterday. अच्छा खासा views आ रहा है. Even if I'm not promoting it, just because I've been consistent for 1 week, the results have been amazing. Not bad. Alright, I'm done. I literally want to end it. I just want to get away from this. Just for today. Because tomorrow is the big day. कल का दिन बहुत बड़ा होने वाला है. The morning is going to be spent somewhere else. I'm going to be occupied the morning and the afternoon. But the evening time, that's when the true capacity of this thing of myself is going to be unleashed. The evening and the night and the late night. And ever after, yeah, maybe I want it that way. I want it that way. So tell me why. I ruined it. Anyways, I don't want to sing now. I'm going to end this here, edit it, and upload it on YouTube as early as possible because I'm just leaving now. So yeah, see you then. Bye. See you tomorrow. Take care. Shabash. Shabba khair, khailash khair, wish you happy married life.